friends, today I am going to talk about carbuncles. Let's see about carbuncles. A carbuncle is a type of Staphylococcus infection that appears as a collection of boils or infected bumps. They are often swollen, red and painful. Boils are bacterial infections that forms under your skin in hair follicles. A carbuncle is a cluster of boils that have multiple pus heads. They are tender and painful and cause severe infection, which could leave a scar. A carbuncle is also called a Staphylococcus skin infection. Distinguishing between a carbuncle or from other skin problems. The most obvious first symptom of a carbuncle is a red irritated lump under your skin. Touching it may be painful. It can range from the size of a lentil to a medium-sized mushroom. The size of the lump increases over a few days as it quickly becomes filled with pus. It eventually develops yellowish white tip or head that will rupture and drain the pus. Nearby areas may also experience the swelling. A boil is a painful pus-filled bump that forms under your skin when the bacteria infect and inflame one of your more of your hair follicles. A carbuncle is a cluster of boils that forms a connected area of infection under the skin. Boils usually start as reddish or purplish tender bumps. The bumps quickly fill the pus, growing larger and more painful until they rupture and drain. Areas more likely to be affected are the face, back of the neck, armpits, thighs and gluteal region. You can usually care for a single boil at home, but don't attempt to prick or squeeze it, it may spread the infection. When to see a doctor? You can usually care for a single or small boil yourself, but see a doctor if you have more than one boil at a time, or if a boil occurs on your face, affects your vision, worsens rapidly or is extremely painful, causes a fever, gets bigger despite self-care, hasn't healed in 2 weeks and recurs. Causes. Most boils are caused by Staphylococcus aureus, a type of bacterium commonly found in the skin and inside the nose. A bump forms as a pus collects under the skin. Boils sometimes develop at sites where the skin has been broken by a small injury or an insect bite, which gives the bacteria an easy entry. Risk factors. Although anyone, including otherwise healthy people, can develop boils or carbuncles, the following factors can increase your risk. Close contact with a person who has a Staphylococcus infection. You are more likely to develop an infection if you live with someone who has a boil or a carbuncle. Diabetes. This disease can make it more difficult for your body to fight the infection, including bacterial infections of your skin. Other skin conditions. Because they damage your skin's protective barriers, skin problems such as acne and eczema make you more susceptible to boils and carbuncles. Compromised immunity. If your immune system is weakened for any reason, you are more susceptible to boils and carbuncles. Complications. Rarely bacteria from a boil or a carbuncle can enter your bloodstream and travel to other parts of your body. The spreading of an infection, commonly known as blood poisoning, that is sepsis, can lead to infection deep within your body such as heart, endocarditis and bone osteomyelitis. Prevention. It is not always possible to prevent boils, especially if you have a weakened immune system. But the following measures may help you to avoid Staphylococcus infection. Wash your hands regularly with mild soap or use an alcohol-based hand rub often. Careful hand washing is your best defense against the germs. Keep wounds covered. Keep cuts and abrasions clean and covered with sterile dry bandages until they heal. Avoid sharing personal items. Don't share towels, sheets, razors, clothing, athletic equipments and other personal items. Staphylococcus infection can spread through objects as well as from person to person. If you have a cut or sore, wash your towels and linens using detergent and hot water with added bleach and dry them in a hot dryer. Thank you. If you want more information, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.